Good morning, students. Happy New Year to all. We are in the end of the January and of course started our class late. Today is 22nd January 2021. Let's welcome this year with lots of wishes, blessings and of course good health. Let's say goodbye to COVID-19. I really wish for you all that this pandemic should not be a part of 2021. A warm welcome, a cold good morning. So, today our GK class. We were doing the chapter sports. A quote of the day: motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Very important and very interesting quote. Motivation. If you want to motivate yourself, think of something really energetic and kicking. Yes, and habit is what keeps you going. अगर आपकी आदतें अच्छी हैं तो आप जीवन में हमेशा हमेशा आगे बढ़ेंगे. If we talk about habit, one good habit is respect your elders. This should be in your habit now. Chalo, let's not do the lecturing on this. I will not waste your time. I hope आप लोग सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे. विंटर वेकेशन बहुत मज़ेदार गई होगी. No exams, no पढ़ाई. Yeah? All right. So the chapter sports. बच्चों, we were doing this chapter sports. What is the sport? Chapter 14. And I want to tell you that this is our last chapter. इसके बाद के 2 chapters, brain teasers and puppetry, are not part of our course. So please hear me nicely. This is our last chapter and tomorrow is Saturday. We will finish this chapter and in coming week I'll start taking your revisions. Okay? I will post the same on group. What is the sport is our last chapter. I am repeating it again and again. Please tell your parents also. This is the last chapter of GK. इसके बाद के 2 chapter 15 and 16 are not a part of our course. Am I clear? I hope I am. So we were doing the chapter what is the sport. All right, famous sports played all around the world. We have done this, but today I would like to do a recap of the class. Of course, we will cover the class. We will do the further exercises also. But let's start the class with the beginning of the chapter. Alright, we have already discussed. I have already shared the PPT about these. But still I have made a new one to recap. So famous sports played all around the world. We have discussed lacrosse. This sport is played using a long stick and a rubber ball. Golf. This sport is played on the field. We have discussed this sport as well. Golf is a sport. Alright. And I must tell you one thing. That this particular sport, players use various clubs to hit the ball into a series of holes. In the least number of strokes. कम से कम strokes के अंदर वो अपनी इस बॉल को होल में डालने की कोशिश करते हैं. Sumo wrestling. National sport of Japan. जापान का national sport है. And this was the exercise we were doing. So we have already done exercise A. I just wanted to discuss few sports so that आपको मालूम चले कि we have done this. We have done rugby also. We have done ice hockey also. Archery also. Yeah. So this is exercise B. This is exercise B about Bruce Lee, that he invented martial art form called Jeet Kune Do. All right. And polo, which is played on horseback. We have done this exercise बच्चों. ये हम पहले सब कर चुके हैं, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा स्पीड से करा रही हूँ. We have already done this in our last class, which was on 24th. वी हैव डन दिस. उसके बाद क्रिसमस आया जो आपके लिए क्रिसमस स्पेशल क्लास थी, एंड देन योर एग्ज़ाम्स स्टार्टेड. आपके एग्ज़ाम्स हुए एंड देन योर वेकेशन, विंटर वेकेशन स्टार्टेड. So our last class was about this. We have already done this in detail. Which is the national sport of USA? Baseball. Baseball is the national sport of USA, and sumo wrestling is a national sport of Japan. All right. Okay. Let's move further. Exercise C. Exercise C. We have done this as well. True or false? Are there 10 players in a cricket team? No. False. There are 11 players in a cricket team. Is a tennis court bigger than a basketball court? False. Basketball court is bigger than a tennis court. These all true and false are based on your chapter sports. We are discussing sports, so all the questions are based on sports. Blue, red, black, green, yellow are the colors of the Olympic ring. Yes, very much true. Blue, black, yellow, green, red. These are the colors of the Olympic ring. Table tennis is a game which uses the lightest ball. Very true. सबसे हल्की बॉल होती है टेबल टेनिस की. आप में से कुछ बच्चे अगर टेबल टेनिस खेलते हैं, आपने नोटिस किया होगा बहुत छोटी और बहुत लाइट बॉल होती है. So yes, that's very true. Table tennis is a game which uses the lightest ball. A shuttlecock is called a birdie. Yes, true. A shuttlecock is called a birdie. All right, so this was the exercise we have done. We have already done this exercise. Just check your answers. I have filled the answers in the box. See to it carefully. All the answers are written here. So please fill your exercises. मैंने आपको पहले भी रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि आप सबको अपनी एक्सरसाइजेस फिल करने के बाद मुझे व्हाट्सएप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because I am sending you all answer sheets. So just fill them. आप आंसर्स देखकर फिल कर सकते हैं, और कुछ बच्चे अपने आप भी करके आंसर्स चेक कर सकते हैं. That would be your revision. Yeah. So we have done this exercise as well, and this is our answer sheet. All right. So let's move on to exercise D today. A fresh new exercise which we have not touched yet. Read the clues to identify these famous international sports events. Famous international sports event. आपको मालूम होगा स्पोर्ट्स के इवेंट्स होते हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड, लाइक पैरालंपिक गेम्स, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, फीफा वर्ल्ड कप या विंबलडन चैम्पियनशिप. सो वी विल डिस्कस दीज इवेंट्स टुडे. हम देखते हैं ये गेम्स कहाँ कहाँ पर कैसे होते हैं. So the Commonwealth Games, if we talk about the Commonwealth Games, so this basically event is held every year. It is an international multi-sport event involving athletes from the Commonwealth of Nations. The event was first held in 1930. सबसे पहले 1930 में ये गेम्स हुए थे, और कॉमनवेल्थ के नेशंस जो हैं उनके बीच में ये गेम्स होते हैं. ऑल राइट, सो वी कॉल देम कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. यू कैन सी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स वीडियो हियर. This is Commonwealth Game 2018 opening ceremony in Gold Coast. लास्ट जो हमारे कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हुए थे वो 2018 में हुए थे. सो यू कैन सी दैट. This is the opening ceremony of Commonwealth Games 2018. जो गोल्ड कोस्ट में हुए थे. कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, आफ्टर एवरी 4 ईयर हैपन्स. सो अभी होंगे 2022 में. सो दिस इज़ द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी वीडियो ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स इन गोल्ड कोस्ट. आप इसको आराम से देख सकते हैं. Opening ceremony of Commonwealth Games. Yeah. So let's move. Paralympic Games. अब Paralympic Games क्या होते हैं? So the Paralympic Games or Paralympics are a periodic series of international multi-sport events involving athletes with a range of disabilities. Yes. So in this event, athletes with physical disabilities, physically जो unfit हैं, physical, I hope you understand what physical disabilities. Physical disability जिनको हम सीधे और सरल शब्दों में handicap बोलते हैं. कुछ हैं जिनके हाथ नहीं हैं, जो शायद चल नहीं सकते, जो व्हील चेयर पे हैं. ये गेम्स उन लोगों के लिए होते हैं. Look at the sporting spirit बच्चों. उनके साथ ईश्वर ने जो भी किया उसके बाद भी दे टेक पार्ट इन दीज इवेंट्स, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट कॉल्ड पैरालंपिक गेम्स. आई मस्ट शो यू दिस. सी, शी इज सिटिंग हियर एंड प्लेइंग टेनिस. कैन यू सी दैट? ऑल राइट, सी दिस, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. Cycling. Can you all see that? So athletes with physical disabilities compete internationally. इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे ये गेम्स होते हैं और जो फिज़िकल अनफिट होते हैं उन एथलीट्स के लिए ये गेम्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन, विंबलडन चैम्पियनशिप. इट इज़ अ टेनिस tournament and commonly known as simply Wimbledon or the championships. It is the oldest tennis tournament in the world and is widely regarded as the most prestigious. सबसे पुराना. So this is the oldest lawn tennis tournament in the world which is held at the All England Club. ये होता है ऑल इंग्लैंड क्लब में और ये सबसे पुराना वर्ल्ड फेमस चैम्पियनशिप है. सी, लॉन टेनिस, विंबलडन चैम्पियनशिप. दिस इज़ द कप. ये सबसे पुराना और सबसे फेमस इवेंट है बच्चों. तभी मैंने आपसे इस कप की फ़ोटो शेयर की है. लुक एट दिस, पीपल डाई फॉर दिस. जो लोग खेलते हैं इनको लेकर. ऑल राइट, फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, as you all can see here, that this international football tournament is held every 4 years. Again, 4 साल में एक बार होता है और ये फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट है. फीफा. Oops, time to go. I'll share some more pictures tomorrow about FIFA World Cup. So this was the exercise D. Tomorrow we will do exercise E and F and all the answer sheets. After this our syllabus will get over. So be there tomorrow. We will finish the chapter and I will post all the exercises with the answers. Take care children. Have a nice day and keep playing. Keep involve yourself in sports activities. Thank you so much. Bye bye.